Magnificent here. So today I'm actually just driving. I just got some equipment from Wyoming to North Dakota. At least I'm on my way back to North Dakota. This is one of those days. It's called easy money. You know, one of those days that everyone dreams of, and it's simple. Of course, you have to adhere to the laws of Department of Transportation. But man, it's really easy money. This is one of those days that you gotta pinch yourself and say, am I really getting paid for this? Like, for real? Yeah, if you look at my skin, I got welts all over because I've been pinching myself all day. So again, just want to give you a note here and let you know it's real. Now, the truth is, it isn't always like this. You know, in every gig you do here, there are days where, I mean, you pinching yourself that you're getting paid for what you do. Now, there are other days where you bust it. I mean, you earn your money. And truth is, it's during the summertime, and so for most people, it doesn't matter what field you're in. This is the land of milk and honey right now because it's warm. You know, the time when you will be earning your money, even during days like this, will be in the couple of months, because it's only going to be warm for, I mean, literally a couple months here, when it's not warm anymore and it's negative 300 degrees and it's treacherous. I mean, this is when the rookies got to go. This is when the rookie's going to get called out to the carpet on whether they can handle it. When you're working out, it's negative 60 degrees. I mean, it isn't always, but it's cold, man. I mean, look at this. I mean, take a look. This is not North Dakota. This is what it's kind of like. I mean, we're going through South Dakota right now, but nonetheless, it's similar too. So just give you a heads up. These days happen. So if, again, the point of this is, if you were to come out, do like my brother did. Come out during the summertime. Enjoy it. Hey, just do what he did. Knock out maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 months. He was able to still save from May until about September. And he saved enough to buy a house, started investing, you know. Not only did he invest in the house, he got equity. And, man, he got up, you know. So when the code came, it was more than he could handle. My other brother did the same thing. He's a professional pilot, you know, for American. Now, those pilot lessons are very, very expensive. He came, he saw, he made, and he invested. And the only fool is me, who's still here. But no, both of them were able to use the short time they were here to their advantage. So even if you're not going to be here for a long time, hey, a great target would be summertime, from late March, which sometimes that's kind of iffy, to late September-ish, and November is when it kind of gets, you know, crazy. So anyway, that's it, guys. Come out during the summertime. Magnificent signing out.